Hi everyone, Jennifer here, and today is what, Monday, and I am on my way to my OB appointment, and she, like, you got it. As a woman, you definitely need to go to your OB appointments, to all your doctor's appointments. Don't slack on those. Making sure that your health is okay, especially if you're a parent. Making sure that you are still present for your children. So don't miss your appointments, whether it's OB appointments, eye doctors, dental appointments, or primary care. Just go to your appointments. So this is what I'm gonna do, and that's one of the self-care, and that's luxury. Health is luxury. As you all know, what's going on with Joe Biden. So yeah, he is a guy, but at the end of the day, he is a human being. So as human beings, we have to make sure we're taking care of yourself, just so you can keep up with what's going on with your health. So I do have an appointment today. Right now, I should be leaving, but basically what I'm wearing are very simple. Let me show you guys. This is what I'm currently wearing. Something very simple. My glasses, my sweat, everything. Ever since I gave birth to the baby, that's what I like being comfortable. And there are dresses and stuff like that. No, nothing fits me. Nothing fits me in my closet. So instead of buying new clothes, which I did buy new clothes, but I realized it's been like, I'm still not losing the weight, so I stopped buying stuff. And I've had these sweatpants for years, and I have the sweatshirt. Where did I buy this? I think it was Shein or something like that. And this was from Ross. And I just got these on, and I'm gonna wear slippers just to go to my appointment. And I have to have my face bare, even though I don't like wearing makeup anyway, but I have to have my face bare just because it's going to be for my appointment. My OB thinks she could heal my face. This is the back of my outfit. My OB thinks she could heal my face. And if she's about to appoint me or to give me, if she's about to give me, what's that called? What's that? Those things that keeps you from getting pregnant. Birth control. That's a hard pass for me because I am not interested in. I would like to take as minimal drugs as possible for any symptoms I'm having. I prefer vitamins or drinking tea, but I don't mind going to the doctor to find out what it is that I'm going through or how's my health status or updates on my health. But if she thinks she's about to prescribe me birth control to get me on my merry way, that's a no for me. But I'll go and hear what she has to say, give them a chance. But doctors think that they could prescribe you birth control to heal, or like medication to heal anything, to suppress the symptom as opposed to heal you. I'm not into that. Like, this is so upsetting. And I've had multiple conversations with doctors before. Like, I advocate for myself. Yeah. Before I get into something, I need to hear. I do not care about your doctorate degree or your medical degree. I would like to know exactly how many patients you've had surgery for, how many survived, and what were their outcome. Like, I need all the tea. Like, what school you went to. Like, I need to know you care about me as a living person and not just to make the hospital money. Yeah, food for thought. But let me go ahead and go to this appointment, and I'll see you guys later.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you.
Okay. Just got back from my doctor's appointment, my OB appointment. Just got back from my OB's appointment. I passed by to get my nails done. I got my nails done. Then I stopped by, what's that called? Walmart. I stopped at Walmart and grabbed some groceries because I was gonna cook my husband. It's my husband's birthday month, so he goes into work Monday through Friday, and today I was gonna cook quesadilla for him to take to work. So I passed by Walmart to get some beef to make the quesadilla. And I ended up buying a whole lot of other things, like these little drinks right here. They're so cool. I drink them because they're so cool. I don't even like soda, but they are sodas, but they are so fun to drink. They have that ball inside of them. I thought that was like, yeah. So I went and got that. I bought other things. As far as grocery, like I did a mini grocery shopping, but that wasn't the goal. That wasn't the plan. But yes, I'm back. I did run some errands while I was outside. It was neat. And I thought, oh man, I should have recorded that while I was getting my nails done. I did record a little bit of my nails getting done, but I didn't record like when I was at Walmart. I will practice. I need to do that when I'm at Walmart. So that's my goal, to film while I'm at Walmart. But I love my nails. They're red. DD112. Love that. I'm waiting for one of the kids to cut the meat because I'm not doing that. So I can cook the meat. I might have to do that by myself though, knowing them kids. It's wishful thinking. Leah, you want to cut meat? See? These are the kids I have. Anyway. Came home, decided to make quesadilla for the family because time's hard. Time's difficult. Oh, my oldest daughter is making that. And I'm creating the quesadilla. Time is hard. So instead of buying food, like junk food and Taco Bell, make it yourself. Okay? Make the food yourself to feed the family. This is so well made. These are the ingredients: mozzarella cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, shredded Parmesan cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, and peppers, bell peppers, colorful bell peppers, and beef. And we have flatbread flour tortillas. Yeah. Oh, look at Where is it?
So the baby.
Don't give her no meat now.
No. Sorry.
Here you go. Filming and doing this, you end up equals burnt tortilla. Yep. But it still be delicious. I think I've had it burnt yesterday. Ooh, that's pretty. That's how it's supposed to look. He says baby cry.
Like